Yo, Londraaa, what we gonna do today?
Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a cute, sexy red eye look. So, if you're interested, then just keep watching. Okay, so for this look, I already did all of my face, my eyebrows, my foundation, everything. So we're just gonna be working on the eyes, just the eyes. So for today's look, we're gonna be using the 39L Hit the Lights Morphe palette. And we're pretty much just gonna be using the reds for this look. Okay, so we wanna start off with this red color right here. And I'm just going to be grabbing a little dense brush and packing it all over my eyelid. You want to pack it in the center and then slowly start blending your way out. So since I already have red here, I'm just going to slowly start building it upwards and out. Now I'm going to go in with another red, this one right here. And I'm not sure if you could see it well, but it's a little more vibrant red. And that color, I'll pack it also in the center and start blending it out. Now we're going to go in with a fluffier brush and just blend the top edge. You then want to grab more of the reds and bring it down underneath your eye. Also from the bottom, you want to grab it and then try to wing it out. So that way you create a fake little wing, you know? Okay, so right now your eye is all red. Now you want to add dimension. So now we're going to go in with a darker color and we're going to go in with a darker red. So we're going to take this color right here and mix it with this brown and put it in the crease, the outer crease of our eye. You want to go in with a smaller, more angled brush so you could really get into the corner and blend it out. Now we're grabbing those same two darker colors and bringing it in underneath the eye. Now you want to go back and blend again, because remember, blending is key. Okay, so now that we have our red, we're gonna add some shimmer to it to make it a little more cute. And I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. And it's almost like, well, sorry, this shade right here to add, like I said, more shimmer and glitter and make it more cute. So I'm just actually going to go in with my finger and just grab a little. Let's see, it's very vibrant. And I'm just adding that to the lid. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with this color right here, and I'm just going to grab that dense brush and put that in the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm going in with this gold shimmery highlight color, and I'm bringing that in the inner corner of my eyes to make it pop a little. I'm grabbing a little brush so I can packet it right in the center and be as precise as possible. And you want to go back and blend a little because you don't want it to be too wide into your eye, that it just looks different, because you want the red to be popping more than that little highlight. Now we're going to be going in with an eyeliner. I'm using this waterproof one from It Cosmetics. No Tug waterproof gel eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting that on the inner water lines of my eyes, the top and bottom. Now we're going to be going in with a liquid eyeliner. I'm going in with this liquid liner from Ipsy and a Baddie B collection, and I'm going to be just drawing a winged eyeliner. And you can make it as dramatic as you want, but I'm going semi-dramatic, semi-not so simple. Okay, so now that you have your eyeliner on, you want to go in with mascara and an eyelash curler. You want to curl your lashes, that way when you put your false lashes on, they blend in well and they look a little more natural. The mascara I'm going to be using today is from Essence. It's called Lash Princess. And I like this one because it gives me a lot of volume and length. So let me go put my mascara and lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? Did you guys like it? Did you enjoy it? Was it easy or hard to make? I use these Baddie B lashes in the style Baddie. And they're very dramatic. So I feel like with this red look, it's always awesome to put on great big dramatic lashes. But okay, this concludes our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.